Hey, what's up guys? My name is Anand and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about adding negative keywords to Google Performance Max campaign. Now, this has been a pretty big update and a lot of advertisers have been waiting for a feature to add negative keywords to Performance Max campaign. If you know about Performance Max campaign, you must have come across the experience of not being able to control which keywords are driving traffic, which keywords are getting clicks to your ad, and really it's like a black box. And up until now, advertisers did not have any visibility in terms of the search terms report. So finally, there are two things I want to show you. One is how to add negative keywords to your Performance Max campaign, and if the feature has been enabled in your account, you can even review the search terms. So let's get started. Basically, the first thing is you will be able to stop wasting your ad budget on irrelevant clicks, right? And essentially, up until now, with Performance Max campaign, everything has been like a black box, and it has been like literally stealing your budget. And with the new change, what you can do is you can now add up to 10,000 negative keywords per campaign. Now that's pretty significant, right? Initially, I think they started with like 100 negative keywords, but now you can add up to 10,000 negative keywords per campaign. So that's like a lot of like refinement and targeting. All right, getting into the point, there are three ways to do that. One is the account level negative keywords, which provides blanket protection across every search and shopping campaign. The second and the most important way to manage your negative keywords for a Performance Max campaign is at a campaign level. So this allows you to really tailor your individual campaigns without affecting your entire account. So for example, in the past, when you wanted to add your brand names as a negative keywords, that's going to impact pretty much all the campaigns. But let's say you want certain campaigns to allow brand related search terms and brand clicks, and then certain campaigns you don't want. And if you have Performance Max campaign into the mix, now is the perfect time, right? Then you also have brand exclusion, so that's another way, right? So in order to set up account level negative keywords, I just want to quickly walk through this. Under the admin settings, you should be able to go to account settings, and under that you can add negative keywords from the menu, and you can create a new list. Now what will happen is when you create a new list, and when you add let's say phrase exact, you these keywords will be applicable at an account level. And if you are running a Performance Max campaign in your account, then Performance Max campaign will actually respect those negative keywords, and your ads will not trigger. So that's the at a very high level. But what's cool is that moving forward, you can now do this at a campaign level. And let me just show you before we get into the details. So I'm running a campaign over here, and this is one of the accounts, and basically this is a Performance Max campaign. I had to blur out few details over here, but essentially on the left side, when you see this option called as keywords, it basically means that you have that option enabled to add negative keywords. So click on that, and then this is where you need to add negative keywords. So click on this add negative keywords, and then you can the only option that you will get right now is campaign. You won't get any ad groups because this is not a search campaign. So that's how you know that you are under Performance Max campaign, right? So you have this campaign, and then you can add your negative keywords over here, and that's how you can now refine your overall campaign tactics and ensure that you are able to really precision focus on getting quality clicks, right? Google is going to announce, or I think they're going to add a new feature called as creating negative keyword list, which I think is pretty useful. So stay tuned for that. I believe like it should come they should announce it like in the next couple of months. All right. So now you know how to do that. And then basically, brand exclusion, I already covered this in terms of how you want to block unwanted terms. Couple of tips I want to mention about negative keywords. Start broad and then tighten. Begin by blocking like broad concepts like DIY or template before refining with like specific exact phrases later, right? This approach catches like more irrelevant traffic upfront while you gather like data for precise targeting. That's typically the same approach we do for running a search campaign, where you start broad, you cast a wide net, you collect the data in terms of like what traffic you're getting, and then you get into like phrase match and then exact match, right? So that's how you'll do that. Handle plurals deliberately. Remember that exact match negatives don't automatically block plural forms, so you will need to add both singular and plural. So that's just something to keep in mind. Organize with shared list. So keep global blocks at an account level, and then strategic tweaks at the campaign level for easier management and consistency. And then understand limitations. Note that negative keywords only affect search and shopping. Video and display placement remains untouched. So that's just something to keep in mind. um, I guess that's pretty much it. I think one last thing on the Performance Max campaign, what I would suggest is on the left hand side, when you are in your Google Ads account, click on the search term, and this is where you should be able to see search terms data for your Performance Max campaign. These are basically the exact keywords that are triggering an ad, and you can select those keywords and you can add them. You can add them to your negative keyword list. So just something to keep in mind. Either you add your known negative keywords over here, or you can go to your search terms report, review the terms that is triggering a click for your Performance Max campaign, and then you add them to your negative keyword list. So those are two options. I think that's pretty much it. And lastly, I just want to mention that I have built a free Google Ads management tool called as Markups. It's an amazing tool. You will like it. Uh, I think you should check it out. You can start a free trial. Basically, what this tool does is it allows you to pull in all the campaign data from your Google Ads account, analyze which campaigns are performing well. You can even review which keywords are converting, non-converting. There is AI built into it, which will give you insights in terms of what are some profitable keywords, which keywords you need to keep an eye on, and which keywords needs to be added to negative keywords. So take a look and share your feedback. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you next time. Thank you.